Hey y'all, what's up, what's good? It's your girl Chyna. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. So today's video, I'm going to be doing a few styles for you guys with my scarf. It's been a minute since I've done scarf videos. Actually, it's been a minute since, it's been probably a year, you guys, since I've done a video with my scarf. So I saw like these styles and I was like, they look so cute. So I'm like, let me try them. And these styles, you necessarily don't need your edges retwisted or anything because it's gonna be hidden anyway, so you kind of don't need to if you don't want to. For the sake of this video, I'm not gonna do them, just to see how it turns out without my edges being done. For the first one, you just get your scarf or your turban or your whatever you want to call them. So we're gonna put this just like this. And then we're going to put it right here and we're gonna measure. Okay, they're the same length. So just like this, we're gonna turn around. Let me turn around. Now we're going to do just like this, and now we're gonna go around. Okay, all right, so y'all, so this is the first one. This scarf is kind of small, so you know the bun is pretty small, but I think it's still cute. So this will be the first one. So the next one is gonna be a front. Instead of it being in the back, is gonna be in the front. All right, y'all, so this will be the second one. The last one that I'm going to do is very similar to the first one. It's just a different way of tying it. So we're just gonna go just like this. Do it just like that. Okay, and this is this one, you guys. I actually really like this one, and this one was actually easier than the other ones. Yeah, this one was way easier than the first and second one, I think, in my opinion. But oh, I really like this. I might wear this for the day because I really like, I don't know, I really like this one. Alright, you guys, so that is about it for this video. I'm going to do I have some more that I can do, but I want to see if you guys are interested in these. If you guys are interested, I will do more for you guys. Let me know down below which one was your favorite, or which one have you tried, or which one will you try. Let me know all of them down below. Yeah guys, make sure you like this video, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe if you haven't, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and that will be the end of this video guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.